what's going on, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. So this is going to be an unboxing and quick run of this Ravage 16 scale. Now, this is going to be a brushed monster truck from Loolinn. Hope I'm saying that right. So I'm kind of doing this like this because I am kind of traveling and stuff, and I will find a place to run this on my way back from my travels and stuff. That's kind of why I'm filming it here on the ground. But you guys see this does come in two different colors. It has this orange color and then also this blue color here. Now this does come, of course, ready to run. You get a lipo and stuff with it as well. So let me go ahead, let's crack this open and let's see what we have inside. All right, y'all, so pulling this out, this is basically how this comes packaged in here. That I went ahead and took the radio and stuff out. So it comes packaged pretty good. And you get, of course, a couple of goodies and stuff with it. You guys see that way that suspension setup. Probably be a little bit bouncy as we're driving around, but you can get this vehicle for about 99 bucks. And I will leave a link in the description for this as well. So you guys see that it does have this coating over top of it. So make sure you take that off. And you do get some stickers for it. I just saw them here. Here you go. You do get stickers you want to go ahead and put on it. So I'm going to go ahead and take this plastic coating off this body, or protective coating on this body off. And then I'm going to go ahead and put these stickers on here as well. And in the bag, you don't get an extra lipo. You do get one inside the vehicle. It is 1,000 milliamp lipo, which is probably going to be good for about 15 to 20 minutes or so. But you do see you get a USB charger, which I'll be charging this up as I'm traveling back to my area. And then you also get some lights there as well and some extra body pins with it. So taking a quick look at this, the tire compound, there are no phones in here, but I have seen this tire tread before, and it actually is pretty good. They don't feel too hard or anything like that. So we should be able to get good traction and stuff with this. I like the little designs of the wheels, which you guys see that there. So you will need a Phillips head screwdriver if you want to take these wheels and stuff off of here. Looking at the radio, basic standard radio, which is good. You do have something for your speed and then something for your steering as well. And then steering reverse too, that's going to be on there. And this just uses 2 AA's with it. It doesn't use 3 or 4, it just uses 2. So this ought to be good for just getting this out and getting this running and stuff as well. Going back over here, opening this up real quick, you guys see the inside of this does have a brushed motor in it, 2-in-1 speed control and receiver kind of together, and there's going to be your lipo battery. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to get these stickers on here, I'm going to get these lights on here, and then we're going to take this out and give it a quick test run as well. All right, y'all, we are out here with a test run of this. Now you guys know this is 16 scale and it is brushed. I did go ahead and put the lights and everything on here. I think it's going to have to drive around for a second to kind of break these tires in a little bit, but it's going pretty good though. It's actually going pretty good. It's going a little bit better than I thought it would. You know we got to take it over here. You guys probably can't see it. Oh, first flip. I'm actually going to drive it over here for a quick second in this rougher terrain before I take it over here in the grass, so you guys can see how this is going to perform. Look at that squirrel. Don't worry, little squirrel, I ain't trying to hurt you. Don't call your buddies and jump on top of me. He's gone. Look at him. He was going up the wrong tree. That's not going bad. I was gonna say, you can't get stuck over there. You 4-wheel drive. That's actually good. Now, I told you guys this does have a speed adjustment on it. So I did turn the throttle all the way up, but if I turn it all the way down, if you get this for a kid, that's going to be the speed right there for a kid. If you turn all the way down, halfway is going to be right about there, which is how it came stock out the box. The adjustment was about halfway up. And that's about halfway, which is good. And then, of course, that's going to be full throttle there. So let's take this on the grassy area and see how this goes over here, because I'm curious how this is going to run in the grass too. Because a lot of kids, if they get this, are going to run this in the grass. And believe it or not, adults get this too. I've had people message me and talk to me about they love getting these small type cars and fixing them up. That's going good too. It's actually getting through the grass. Let's see if we can do this little jump. That's not bad at all. So I do have another trip to make, and I'll probably be taking this with me just to go on a trip, just to have an RC car. I mean, I think it's always good if you don't have something in your arsenal to have a little small car. It doesn't necessarily have to be this one, but it's always good to bring something small with you in case you go on a trip and you can do a quick breakaway. Look at this. That's actually pretty impressive. I wasn't sure about how I was going to perform being the scale that it is, but coming out here and driving in this grass, this is going good. This is going about as good as some brushed 10 scale cars that I know. Look at that. That wasn't me. That wasn't no skill at all. That was all flipping and keeping my hand on the throttle. I doubt I can do that again. So that's not bad. This is not bad at all. Trying to do a little jump there. Wow. Well, it didn't break. Full throttle hit. Now, of course, going through this thick grass is gonna kill your runtime somewhat, but I still think you can get probably about 15 minutes of playtime on this, so. This is not bad at all, y'all. It really isn't. I was concerned about it being brushed, because sometimes vehicles that are brushed like this, I'm gonna have to do a quick blind spot, go behind the car, come up here. Sometimes they don't have enough power to go through grass like this, being this small, and no foam in the tires or anything. I'm pretty sure some adults get this, they're gonna get it and upgrade it and brushless and all that, but everything don't gotta be brushless, y'all. There we go again with that flip. I gotta see where I'm hitting at. It's making it like I got some driving skills, whatever I'm hitting over here. And I don't. Not like that, not to make it flip, roll, and do that on purposely and continue to hit it good. Man, I wish they had stuff like this when I was a kid. I would have loved it. Absolutely loved it. Wow, I keep hitting that. Keep trying to cut it close. Look at this little thing go. It's probably too far for you guys to see. I had to pop that wheelie. Let's see if we can do that on the street. I'm pretty sure we can do it on road too. Reverse. Tires got a little dirt. Let's see, go back. Tires ain't getting as much grip now. They probably do it over here though. Nope. Yeah, this is fine being brushed. It really is. I am actually impressed. It doesn't take a lot to impress me. I know you guys probably hear that every video. If a car performs well, it looks good, and it's not crappy or stuff going on when I unbox and all that, I'm pretty much good to go. And then if it performs good, like a little bit more impressed with what I'm thinking it's gonna perform, I'm good. And I can say I'm impressed with this one. The only thing a larger scale car would have on this is that it's larger and that it would probably get through this grass a little bit better, but this is fine as it is. I should have brought my little ramp out, but I didn't have it with me. Told you I was traveling. Stopped off here. Wow, ooh, I thought I was gonna hit that. I'm only over here because I'm in the shade here. Over there, I'll be out in the sun burning. There we go, there go that Willie. So that's why I'm staying over here in this area here. All right, check the range. Yeah. They're good. They got a winner with this one. If you guys are looking for a cheaper 1/16 scale vehicle, I think you guys would be good to go with this if you're looking for something new. The look of it's pretty good. The wheels do match the body. I like the way that looks. And now part support, you'd have to go over to their website and check it out, but there's a link in the description if you guys are interested in checking this out. You can get these on Amazon too. Get out of there. Get over here. So we're about 8 minutes in. We probably got about another 5 minutes or so of runtime. I'm not gonna run it for this entire video or for the entire duration of the battery pack, but this is actually impressive. There's no way we're gonna climb this up here. Let's see if I can go down here and see behind this red car. Turn, keep going. Wow, I hit something. Did you guys hear it? Right over there. Oh, I wonder if I can jump these while I'm out here. We'll try one jump real quick. Well, we can do backflips. Oh, we almost had it. I think if I would have hit the brakes, we would have got it. Let's try and see. Nope. Now that time I would accelerate, I did a backflip and we would have made it. I'm gonna get one for this video ends. Maybe not, it'll take me forever. I'll probably have to do it off camera. So anyway guys, that's gonna be a run of this. This is actually pretty good. I said it's gonna cost you about 99 bucks. There's gonna be a link below in the description. I'm trying to walk over here. Checking the alignment up, because you know my alignment's out, but look at that. We got good alignment there. So there you guys go, a run of this. I think this is actually pretty good, so good job with this one. I don't know what this resembles. It doesn't look like any of the other branded cars out there, so this may be kind of a unique design. Maybe they changed some stuff from I don't know, but so far so good. So anyway, don't forget to like, subscribe, stay tuned for the next video. Appreciate you guys watching.